Það fyrsti official dagurinn í Pivot-programminu hérna. Og já, það bara svona allir að kynnast og við erum að fara að taka e-bike ride núna aftur. Where's it from?
It's from Iceland.
Yeah, the land of mangoes.
Yeah.
Whee! Oh shit! Wrong line. Hann alvöru peysi hérna upp í klifurinu sko. No chill.
Hey man, I don't know you.
Yeah, I'm Gretzky.
I'm Gabriel from Chile.
Iceland.
Nice to meet you, man.
You too, man. I feel like every other video is like a freeride video from Chile.
We all know what's going up.
Yeah,
It's trending.
if we just go back, we're back in 30 minutes.
Jesus!
Oh, you guys are
Wow, that's amazing. Yeah, that's proper.
I never even tried that, but it's just a bike breaker on if you're not. I'm not strong enough really. It's also kind of weird right now, but
Is this the waterfall? No?
yeah.
Yeah.
Bring you, you can see it.
I can't waterfall.
Dude.
Last time I tried to get up and go to that stage, we did.
That still counts, man.
No,
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Who's down the back?
Woo!
Nice. You're cool. Yeah. I was like, oh! And then the motor just kicked in and
Hung on.
fucking
Yeah.
too big a gear.
yeah.
Yeah,
And you two backed up. I was like,
I like almost stalled.
Yeah, it's tough following like that.
Yeah, I guess, but yeah, I hate single traction exposure. Like yesterday, I felt really on edge all the time, but here, good. Whoa.
That was fucking very easy. Cool.
Incredible.
Got some bruises.
It does.
So good, so good. sturla rædd. Ég var að segja að þetta er eitthvað svona topp 5 besta rædd sem ég átt. Það er bara, já, félagsskapurinn, veðrið, trailinn, þetta er bara svo ógeðslega öðruvísi en samt svo gott. Ógeðslega skemmtilegt upp á móti en ennþá skemmtilega niður. Geggjað hjól. Já, ég er stoked.